Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Johan from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your photograph or the couple photograph or pre-wedding photograph, like a very romantic background, by adding the romantic background like Paris or Eiffel Tower, like that. So before I get into the video, just hit the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset, and every kind of loots file and other photography stuff for free. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So let's jump to the video. Now all you have to do is, first of all, just select the couple photo by using the quick selection tool, and just click on the plus icon and just roll all over the subject's body to make it selected. Now in this selection, it is very much necessary to select the hairs of the bride or the female model. So you have to do is just right click on it and select the select and mask option from there. Or you can, if you are using Photoshop CS6, then you can see the refine edge tool. From there just select this, and now you make sure that you have selected the second brush tool, that is refine edge brush tool, and just roll all over the hairs of the image or the model to make it selected. So it will automatically detect the edges of the selection and it will result in the selection process. So just roll all over the edges of the bride of the image, also on the hair region of the groom also. It is really very simple to make the selection. Now just press OK and just do the right click on it and select layer by copy option, or directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard or Command J from if you are using Mac. So here you can see we have created a perfect background, cut out the photo of the bride and groom. Now let's add the background to the photograph. So let's go to the file, click on open, and let's browse the background. Let's select this background, Paris background. Just drag it and drop over here. It is really very simple. Now press Ctrl D from the keyboard or Command T and just move the, adjust your own pathway or whatever you want. You can just adjust the position of the background. Now hit OK. Now press Ctrl from the keyboard and just right click on this background layer and press the crop tool to crop that much area as our final image. You can still adjust and see how it actually looks. If you will put over here, it won't look nice, so just keep it as beside, because we want to see the Paris photo very clearly. So you need to do is just keep it as in the side portion. Now let's create some shadows on the background. So let's create new layer, create a brush tool and select the brush tool, select the black color from here, select the soft round brush and just increase the size of the brush and just roll all over the here. Just make some black color over here. Just a little bit, so that it will create like a look like a very shadow of the person. Change the blending mode to multiply and just decrease some opacity to around 80%, or 25 or 50 would be okay. Now next thing would be to add some loots on the image, or let's just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Here if you want to blur the edges, then you can blur it by using the filter. Then just go to the blur galleries, then select the tilt shift and just select up to here and just blur the portion of the background and hit OK. Now just merge all the layers, right click on it and select merge layers. Now the next thing would be to go to the filter, select camera filter from there, and let's just add some effect on the image. The resolution of the size of the image is very much big, so it takes time to load every menu or the effect, camera filters, and also like blur gallery and all. If it really takes more time to load, then just you reduce the size of the image. Go to the image size and reduce it to around 80% or 60 and hit OK. So it will reduce the size of the image and it will take less time to load. So now let's open the camera filter. See, it takes very lesser time to load it. Now let's adjust some color tone effect on the image. We want to get the skin tone as our very pink tone, so just make sure the skin tone remains the very pinkish. Now if you want to add some vignette on the image, you can add. Otherwise you can also add some dreamy like photo, like adding some whiteness on the image. Let's add this whiteness to get a dreamy look. Here you can just decrease some exposure if you want to decrease. Add some contrast to it. Decrease some highlights and decrease some whiteness. Increase some shadows, decrease some black color from here, and then let's just increase the clarity to a +10. Increase some vibrance, decrease the saturation. So here you can see here it was our before image and here is the after image. A huge difference can be seen on the skin tone and every kind of Now let's just hit enter and OK. So finally, if you want to give still more effect, you can just go to the brush and select pick any of the color from here. Let's say this, give one stroke to it. Now change the blending mode to screen, press Ctrl D, and you can just keep it somewhere over here. Press Ctrl U and increase some lightness from the image and hit OK. You can decrease some saturation and just merge it with the background. So finally here you can see we have perfectly added the very perfect romantic theme of like Eiffel Towers of the couple photograph. Here is our before and here is our after. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed then just hit the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to visit our website www.ashvircreations.com. And don't forget to follow me also on Instagram. Well guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.